Hi guys, here I am unboxing this lovely gift from Schmincke, who have asked me to make charts for their 100 set of pastels. There it is, 100 set, and also their 200 presentation set of pastels. Struggling a little bit to get them out of the box, but here they come, and that's the 200 set. As you probably know, I already make pastels for the full range of Schmincke Artists Soft Pastels, which is a set of 400 colours, and Schmincke liked those charts so much they asked me to make charts for these two sets as well. Their intention being that they slip a set of charts into each presentation box before they sell it. As you can see, each presentation box comes with its own chart that can be filled in by the buyer. Oh, don't they look nice? Lovely. So the 200 set consists of 2 trays, both with 100 pastels in each tray. Fantastic. And I will be making a chart very shortly for both of these sets of pastels. It was very kind of Schmincke to send me these pastels free of charge so that I can use them to make the charts with. It's almost impossible to use the 400 set of pastels to make charts for these 2 other sets, and that's the 100 set. Lovely colours. That's it.